So now you have 1 minute to talk about yourself. What do you do in your free time? And what are your goals?
Yes, okay, teacher. My name is Nhi. I'm 16 years old. I'm from Vietnam and I'm a student. In my leisure time, I like reading book, playing games, and watching fashion shows such as Victoria's Secret, Miss Universe, Miss Grand Vietnam, and more competition around the world.
Okay.
My goal is I gain 7 IELTS and improve listening skills and speaking skills.
Okay.
Yes, that's all.